Efento Gateway Configuration. Welcome to the Efento Gateway Configuration tutorial. Let us start by unboxing the device. The packaging contains the module itself, a power supply, and an antenna. Additionally, you will need a PC with a network card plus an RJ45 patch cord. Connect the gateway with the previously screwed-in antenna to the computer using the patch cord. Then plug it into the power supply. The configuration was carried out using Windows 10. However, the presented settings should not vary much among older versions of that OS. Network adapter settings are found in the Network and Sharing Center, which is accessible via the computer's control panel. Make sure that the computer you use is not connected to any Wi-Fi network. Turning the Wi-Fi off is required for conducting the next step of the configuration. Change to IPv4 protocol settings as is shown on the screen. If you do not know how to do that, please check the tutorial linked in the description. After the changes to the IPv4 protocol are made, open a web browser. We recommend Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Safari. Type the gateway's factory IP address into the browser search bar. It can be found on the bottom sticker on the device. If the configuration was carried out according to the previous instructions, after entering the IP address in the browser, Gateway's configuration page should load. Log in with the factory default password, admin. To set up the device for operating in its destined network, go to the Network submenu in the Settings tab and set the correct new IP address for the gateway, which will be compatible with the destined network settings. Sample configuration is shown on the screen. When connecting the gateway to a secure network, contact your admin to obtain a valid IP address for the device. When all of the necessary data is provided, click the Save button. Then log out of the configuration page, disconnect the gateway from the computer, and connect it to its destined network. Restore the previous settings for the wired connection and connect with the destined network by LAN or wirelessly. After successful connection with the network, type the gateway's new IP address in the browser search bar. If all the previous steps were carried out correctly, the device's configuration page should appear. In order to set up the gateway to work with the Efento Cloud platform, an organization key must be provided. Open a new tab in the browser and type in the address of the Efento Cloud platform. Copy your organization key as it is shown on the screen. Paste the key in the Organization Key field located in the Server submenu in the Settings tab of the Gateway's configuration panel. When all of the necessary data is provided, click the Save button.
To confirm that the gateway is set up correctly, go to the Status tab and make sure that the time of the last communication with the server has been assigned, and both network status and server status fields have OK value.
There are dedicated tutorials for configuring the cloud platform itself. Links for them are provided in the description. Congratulations! Efento Gateway is ready for work.